Hey guys, today I'm doing a kind of different review than I normally do, but I thought this was super important. This brand reached out to me to try their product and I was really eager to do so. So these are cervical, I don't even know what they're called, cervical neck traction devices. They sent me two, a blue and a lavender. Now this is my favorite color ever, so I've been using this one more, but they're essentially the same. They look a little bit different, but these devices are meant to kind of stretch the neck, and they have a lot of claims that really spoke to me. So I have terrible posture. I don't know if you can tell from my videos, I'm sure you can, but I've had bad posture my whole life. It kind of runs in my family. And so when this brand reached out to me and said that these devices are supposed to help with your posture and neck pain, which I get a lot of, I was very eager to try them out. Now this video is going to be sponsored by them, and they did send these to me for free, so I do want to obviously let you guys know that beforehand, but you guys know I would never lie about my experience with the product or anything like that, so I did want to just preface that. But they did send me some information, more like, you know, the background about it, so I am going to be reading that, but I am also going to be giving you my honest opinion from my experience using them. So, a cervical neck traction device is an orthotic of sorts. So it's kind of like putting orthotics in your shoes, which I also use because I'm a grandma. As you lie down or even sit up, these give you vertical and horizontal support, and the curve helps to stretch and pull and separate the vertebrae so that it reduces pressure on the spine, which sounds great. So I've used this multiple ways before I get into the rest of reading this. I've used it sitting down like this, and it gives you this neck support. I've used it while I'm working as well on my laptop, and I have this thing, I work in my bed, which is horrible, and so I'm always like looking down like that. It's not great for your neck. But using this actually has really helped. I've noticed a lot less pain. So before we get into more of my experience, let me keep reading. So what does it work for? So this neck device treats different types of neck pain, tension, and tightness. It helps to relax the muscles, which can significantly relieve pain and stiffness while increasing flexibility. And it says how often should you use it and for how long. So they recommend that you start with 2 minutes a day, and then as your comfort like increases, because at first it can be kind of difficult to get used to because it is stretching you in like a way that you're not used to, you can use it for 5 to 15 minutes each time, 2 to 3 times a day as you're getting used to it. And they describe that as hard. I wouldn't really describe this texture as hard. It's essentially the same texture like a foam roller, in my opinion. So it's soft, and you can see I can squeeze it, but it's not soft. Do you know what I mean? Like this part bends, but like the rest of it is kind of like you can bend it, but I don't know. It reminds me of the texture of a foam roller, if that'll help you. But it is more on the firm side. Which I think is designed, it says like right here actually, it is designed to stretch and realign your cervical spine, so if it was too soft it wouldn't work. It says that it is normal to be uncomfortable in the beginning because your neck needs time to get used to using it, so that could take 3 to 5 weeks. I've only been using this for about 1.5 weeks actually, so I am gonna follow up right now. I've been actually very comfortable with it. And it does say that also it will have a natural scent from the materials and just like the shipping and being in the warehouse. So it does have that kind of smell, like when you get like a new pillow, that kind of thing, like a chemically kind of smell. But they said it's completely like safe and not dangerous. So if you want to just wash it gently, it's fine. But the smell isn't bothering me at all. And although I didn't even give you my opinion yet, they are offering you guys a discount. So this is a 25% off discount. So it's actually a 20% off discount plus a coupon for 5%. And I will link that right here. I'll link it down below as well. And this coupon expires on July 15th. So if you want to try one of these out, make sure to go and do that now. The link is down below and everything as well. So before I read all this stuff online and, you know, looked at other people's reviews, what I did was use this the wrong way. I put this part underneath my neck this way, so like that's not right. It's supposed to go that way. But either way, it actually felt very comfortable to me. I first used it laying on the ground, so I'll put in some clips of that here, so like what it's supposed to look like. So this should be like directly under the curve of your neck. And so you can use it sitting up, you can use it on a couch, you can use it really anywhere. I know some people in the comments or the reviews actually said something about using it driving. I don't know about that. I would be a little nervous, but I think this is wildly comfortable. I haven't had any discomfort or pain using this. I haven't felt like, oh, you know, I need to sit up. I actually really liked using it. The first time I used it for about 3 minutes just to see if like it caused me any kind of problem. It didn't. I feel like it is the easiest to use just flat on the floor, maybe on a yoga mat or something like that. So right now, about a week and a half in, I'd say, I've been using this twice a day for about 5 minutes each, and I'm really enjoying it. I actually, like, that's a lie, I've been using it longer than 5 minutes. When I use it when I'm working, I kind of forget that it's there and end up using it longer. They don't recommend to use this like while you're sleeping at night, just because that can be like overextending. But I have a lot of neck pain normally, and since I've been using this, I haven't noticed any of that. And I can't tell you, you know, only after this much time, if my posture's really gotten better. I have terrible posture. But I do feel like I'm getting more used to sitting up straight. My standing posture is another story, but my neck posture, like when I'm sitting, I'm always kind of hunched over. My neck definitely like protrudes forward. And since I've been using this, because it kind of forces you to lean back on it and like keep your head up, it's somehow making it comfortable for me to sit up straight even while I'm leaning back, so I don't feel like I'm like completely sitting up straight like a soldier or something. But it's not overextending me where I feel like I'm like overextending my neck back, but it's holding my head up kind of where it's supposed to be. And I really enjoy that. Now I do the blue one and the purple one, to be honest, like they don't have much of a difference but color to me. This one has little circles on it and this one has little lines. I've used both of them the exact same way, and they haven't, like neither one has shown me any difference. I prefer this one just because the color, so I might let my boyfriend have this one, but I think it's just great. It feels so good just to be able to sit up without feeling like you're overextending. I feel like it's stretching me in the proper way, and that's why it hasn't caused me any discomfort. Another thing I want to mention is that I've tried other devices that are supposed to help with your posture. I bought one of those, like, you know, it's like a harness thing for your shoulders that's supposed to like pull your shoulders back, and it won't work for me because I'm very petite, and those are just, there's not one that's small enough for me. So a lot of posture correcting devices don't work for me because I am petite. This doesn't really matter what size you are, as long as your neck isn't like this big or something, like it works. Like your spine really just needs to fit in between these lines here for the other one. And I just find it so comfortable. I know some people said something about some part of it being uncomfortable on their neck in the reviews. I haven't noticed anything like that. And I don't have much cushion back here, but I really like it. I'm finding it to be very comfortable. I literally could sit like this for longer than the recommended amount of time. I don't want to overextend myself, but I haven't noticed any bad side effects or anything like that. I like that it's also not humongous. I mean, I don't know what size that would be. I don't know, the size of my head maybe. It's just a really great little device, and it's cute. Someone might just think it's like a weird little sculpture. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying it. If I like have any adverse reactions or anything, I will check back with you and let you know. But after about a week and a half, I'm really enjoying it a lot. And I just want to thank the brand, which I didn't even say the name of the brand, did I? It is Memine? Memine. I could be saying that wrong. But this neck device is just really great. I feel like it's so much more universal than so many other like posture corrector type of things, and it really does help with neck pain somehow. I feel like I didn't realize that my neck pain was coming from like sitting hunched over like a little troll, but obviously it was, because since I've been sitting up more like upright with this, I've naturally been doing it even when it's not there. It kind of guides your body into this position that's very comfortable, and so now when it's not there, instead of hunching over, I'm kind of pulling my shoulders back a little bit more and sitting up more straight even without it. So I'm very happy with it, and I would totally recommend it. So if you want to go check it out and get that discount, again, I will leave it here. And I would just recommend it. I think it's great. I think if you know someone who has neck pain, this would be an awesome thing to get them. It's so easy to use. And that's essentially it for this video, but I'm really glad the brand reached out to me, because if they hadn't, I'd still be having so much neck pain and be slouching like a troll. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out, and stick around to see more from me.